Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix plotter not found or missing plotter error. If you've ever gone to print your project and were greeted by a warning saying your layout's configured plotter cannot be found, you know how easily it can bring your workflow to a grinding halt. This usually happens when you're working on a drawing created by someone else, or if your software lost track of its configuration files. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it so you can get back to drafting. Let's get started. Open AutoCAD and any drawing file. Once your drawing is open, we need to check where AutoCAD is looking for its printer files. Type Options into the command line and press Enter. In the Options dialog box, look for the Files tab at the top left. Inside this tab, scroll down to Printer Support File Path and click the small plus sign next to it to expand the menu. Next, expand the Plotter Configuration search path. This folder path tells AutoCAD exactly where your device configuration files, also known as PC3 files, are stored. If this path is wrong or empty, AutoCAD won't see your printer. If it looks incorrect, simply click the path, click Browse on the right side, and navigate to your actual AutoCAD plotters folder. Once fixed, click Apply, then OK. If your paths are correct but the error persists, the printer configuration file itself might be corrupted. We can easily recreate it. Type Plotter Manager into the command line and press Enter. This is a shortcut that instantly opens the exact Windows folder where AutoCAD keeps its printer files. Inside this folder, look for a shortcut called Add a Plotter Wizard and double-click it. The wizard will guide you through adding your printer back into the software. Click Next on the welcome screen. When it asks for the plotter type, select My Computer if the printer is plugged directly into your PC or connected to your network, then click Next. Select your printer's manufacturer from the left column and the model from the right. If your model isn't listed, click Have Disk to select the driver you downloaded from the manufacturer's website. Click Next, choose your connection port, name your plotter, and click Finish. If you are working on a client's drawing, AutoCAD might be looking for a specific plotter name that only exists in their office. Go back to the Options menu and click on Plot and Publish tab. On the right side, click Plotter Model Substitution Settings. Here, click Add App to map that annoying missing plotter name directly to your local functioning printer. Click Apply, then OK. Now let's verify everything works. Press Ctrl-P to open the Plot dialog box. Click the drop-down menu under Printer/Plotter. You should now see your newly created printer safely back in the list. Before printing, always click Preview at the bottom left to make sure your layout looks correct. If everything looks perfect, hit Plot or OK. And that's how you fix a missing plotter error in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.